So yes, family, we back messing with the Chevrolet Malibu again. So let's get into this video. What is going on, family? Welcome to another edition of Black Knight Mustang Lifestyle. And of course, we're not working on Black Knight. He is still sitting over there. We had some stuff to do to him, but we can't get to him right now. So we're working on the Malibu and a couple of things we got to fix on it. We got problems. So let's get into the video. Okay, family. So when I was gone, and I'm just getting back in today. When I was gone, my wife was saying the car shows this, something was stabilized or something. So it'll show in a minute, hopefully. Now act like it won't show. I might have to crank it to show it. Then also it's got like a skip to it, a miss to it, and then when I pull the readings on it, say misfired, misfire number 1. So now it's not even showing up here, but we're saying stabilized link on here. Now it's not showing it on here, but okay, there it goes. Service stabilizer link. Let me see if I can get in there and show y'all. It's kind of in between here, so let me see if I can flip the camera back and get up there. So y'all seen that it say service stabilizer track. Okay, we're gonna cut this thing off. And what that is, y'all, we found out, y'all remember I replaced the wheel bearings in the back a while back because it had a roaring going on in the back, so I replaced them. And now I got to replace the front ones. And they have what you call like sensors in them. So we're thinking that's why the sensors gone bad. It was that back wheel right here, the one that was roaring, but I went ahead and changed both of them back here, so it wouldn't be a problem. I should have went ahead and changed all 4 of them. So what we're gonna do is jack this car up, get the wheels off. We're gonna change the front 2, and that'll be all the way around. Then also we gonna pull the plugs on here and see if it's the plug. Somebody said it could be the throttle body that causing it to skip like that. So we're just gonna get under the hood and see what we find under that. So there's the box that I ordered with the 2 wheel bearings. Couldn't put it out there on the wall, a holding wall out there because it's dark and I got the garage closed and it's nighttime. I just got home and I'm going to start jacking this up and work on it. So I'll do some of it tonight, some of it tomorrow. So of course it ain't starting with coffee, but it's starting off with Bud Light, y'all. And that's good. So let's get to work. Family, y'all might can hear that fan because it's kind of warm in here. In Alabama, it don't get that cold. So anyway, what we got to do, we got to shine this light a little more this way. Well, that'll help. We got to take that. I probably should have got the other light. This'll work. Anyway, we got to take these brake bolts out. Take the brake caliper off. Just explaining all this right now so I can just go through the video and do it. Y'all probably remember from last time, you got to take this screw out right here. You might have to bang this around a little bit, get this loose, pull this out. Then we got to jack When we get behind here to get this out, we got to jack the back part of it up so we can drop this down to man, I kind of forgot how to do it. Anyway, right there is that sensor, if y'all can see, which is right here where my hand is. Right here, that's a sensor right there. So it's probably the sensor that's bad that plugs into there, back there. So one of these two are bad. We don't know which one it is, but we'll try to get as much footage as we can and doggone, I'm so tired, I can't even talk straight. We'll try to get as close as we can so y'all can see when we take all this apart. So I'm going to switch to the from off the GoPro to the camcorder, so it pulled in a lot closer. So all right, let's y'all look right here, family. Look like we're gonna need brake pads on here. These things has been on since we had the car. So y'all can see right here. Let me turn it around. Man, them fronts are really down. It's wonder they lasted that long. So we're gonna get some pads for this thing. Might as well do it right while we're doing it. Anyway, let's get back into the video. Okay, y'all, I'm trying to get a good picture of this, but it's two boats up here that's really hard to get the rest of these brake pads off. One is way up here. Y'all can see one right there, and them boats are on that hard. And then you got this other boat right here. So I ain't gonna be able to get the camera on here to get a good shot, but that's what I'm fixing to work on now. So we'll get back with y'all in a little bit. Okay, family, we did get that top boat off, as y'all can see. Let me zoom in there. It's somewhere in there. I done lost it. Let me see. Put my hand up here and try to find it. Right there. Y'all can see. We got that top boat out. And the bottom boat right here is loose. But we had to end up, we tried putting the impact on. Our impact wasn't strong enough, so we had to use the what's the name bar, the torque bar. Had to use that to break them loose. They was on here so strong. So anyway, we did get that broke loose and got the boat out. And now we got to get up here so we can get this. But anyway, we get back with y'all. now, family, we're pushing that all back. See, now we got access to our boats right there that we couldn't get because this was in the way. So, and then we got access to that boat back there. So we're gonna break these loose and get with it. Okay, family, there you have it. Y'all see it's out. And this process was a little bit different than the back. As y'all can see that we didn't have them bars, but we still had to drop this down. Y'all see to get be able to get the boats in the back. So, and what they saying is what's throwing the bad code. It's probably right in here. Is where you see it's filthy and everything, but that can be a cause of it. And I forgot what they call it, but that can send a bad sensor, make the sensor read bad right there. So I think it's right in here, the eraser, I think what they call it. And it might be because it's dirty and stuff, but we're going to change them anyway. There's no need of showing the other side. There's no need, I gotta wipe my hands, to show putting it back together. It's basically the same process of putting it back together. So, man, I'm just tripping over everything. We're gonna finish this tomorrow. We just wanted to break it down and see what we had to go through. It was a little job. This was, I think the front was a little tougher than the back. So, but we also got it anyway. And we did show y'all. So if you just watching this video for the first time, I showed how to do the back ones. The back ones are a little different. So look for it in my videos. Other than that, y'all, we think we're going to end this video. Y'all know I go live on Sundays at 6 o'clock Alabama time, 7 o'clock North Carolina time. So we also going to try to go live on Crimson Truck Pride on Fridays. It's going to vary on time, so I'll try to look for it because it depends on what time I come in on Fridays. So we're going to try to go live on both. Fridays on Crimson Truck Pride and Sundays on Black Night. But with that said, y'all, we're going to end this video. And, man, I'm tired. I'm tired from messing with this, tired from coming in. Did a core today. But anyway, we will see y'all on the next one. Y'all know what it is. Stay in life, baby. We out here. Peace.